Accessing critical driver documents from the cloud or phone is just a tap away. PermitBook is a cloud-based driver app that loads, organizes, and stores critical documents to the driver based on the driver's login, truck, and trailer assigned or selected. Never lose a document again. Get the right document into the right truck from your desk. Get an updated document to the right truck instantly. View your permits. Always on cloud access lets you view files anytime. Download your permits. View your permits even when you don't have a data connection. Stay current. Push notifications will alert you to any permit or file changes. On the website permitbook.com, sign in is where you're going to go. And this is the back-end portal for us. So when you log in, you'll see a company name right here. It says Glowstone. And in here, there's two menu bars. In the blue up here, there's management. This is where you're managing the users. Any other managers that want to go in here to upload documents or see the documents, we can assign them to be a manager. But it's also for all your drivers to be in here. But we also have trucks and trailers down here as well. This is where all your trucks and trailers will reside. Basically, these create folders of where you're going to put the documents. In here, you can see for drivers, for example, or who's a manager, who's not. Last time they logged in, you can see if they've logged in on the app or not. So that's useful as well. And then the trucks here, just adding a truck, for example, add new truck. And we can add a truck. Let's call this one, I don't think I have 098, but you could assign it to a driver, but you don't have to because they have the functionality to select that truck and move back and forth. What we would do is set this up for you, at least in the beginning, but there's like a bulk import. And this document here, for example, the unit number for the truck or the unit number for the trailer, you just plug them all in, what those unit numbers are, and it'll automatically, basically it uploads all those trucks and trailer units at the same time. So it's just one quick, boom, here's all the documents, or all the trucks that were added, or all the trailers that are added. This is just setting up the account. But here in the blue again is documents, and this is the most important. So here we have company documents, driver documents, trucks, and trailer documents. And so company documents can be like if the other important company-wide permits. This is where you could put like your company policies or anything you want to get in front of the drivers. In here you can see expiration date. That's what these. If it turns red, it shows that it's past due. The expiration date. If it's green, it's fine. If it turns yellow, it's saying that it's within 30 days that document is going to be expired. So if I wanted to add a company document, it's going to go to every single driver that's in the company, and I would just click add. I'd find the document that's on here. Let's just do, I don't know, Glowstone Flyer, and we'll call it the company policy. And this one doesn't need an expiration date for company policy, but you can. That's where you just put in an expiration date in here if you wanted to. You don't have to. Click save, and you've loaded that document into the system. And all your drivers would get a notification saying, "Hey, there's a new document in there. Go in and download it." Trucks and trailers is the other most important thing. Annual inspections, cab cards. Naming the document is going to be important. You can name it specifically for the truck, so put the truck name and put truck registration, or you can just say truck registration and assign it. You're assigning it to that truck anyway. Put an expiration date at the end of the year, and you'll save that document. instead of deleting every single document, when it comes up to be expired, you can go in here and on the 3 buttons and you can view the document and download it. And you can hit edit and change the expiration date. Let's say next November is the expiration date, for example. Everything else, you can go in here and replace that document with the new one that you just have to be updated, and hit save. And now that red dot turned green. That one's been updated. Anybody who drives in that truck of 102 now is notified that that document needs to be updated. And same thing with trailers. And so the only thing that's going to take a lot of process is uploading all these documents and assigning them to the trucks and trailers and for the company. But once that's done, it's very easy to take care of. Your annual renewals, just going in here and updating them, just is a lot simpler than continually having to print off these new permits or permit books and getting them into your drivers wherever they're at. So when I log in, so right now I'm in management of the users. If I go into documents, here you see this big blue export button. Company documents, I can export this list. And I just downloaded this list of data. Here it is. So this is the list of the documents that are coming up to be expired and their expiration dates. And that functionality is going to be pushed to our main site. So that is coming.